This video is to show you how to transfer from your Geekpay account to your local bank account and receive your money in Naira. Now, Geekpay gives you the chance to have a USD account, a pounds account, a euro account for you to receive money from your client. And with you having those accounts, you can also transfer it to your local bank account. That is what this video is all about. And I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. Then you are going to transfer from this kind of money to this type of money. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment. Make sure you hit the bell notification for more updates while we head down to our screen and learn how to transfer from your Geekpay account to your local bank account and receive your money in Naira. Of course, right now we are on Geekpay official homepage and we're about to log in, and I'm about to show you how to transfer money which is in a foreign currency USD to your local bank account. And of course, you might have known how to earn money from whichever workplace, whether Fiverr, whether on digital store, music digital store, whether on Upwork and so many other merchants which you have offered some services and get paid with using your Geekpay USD account. Yeah, right now I'm gonna log in my Geekpay account. Of course, I have some money in my Geekpay and I want to transfer it to my local bank account right now. Let me log in my Geekpay right now. I'm logging in, taking me to the dashboard. Of course, you can see it's loading right now. Loading right now. Of course, you can see my dashboard. It said, "Welcome, Sonny." I have $96.54 in my available balance in my USD account. Now, of course, Geekpay will give you the opportunity to receive money with their US bank account and with their Great Britain pound bank account, Euro bank account. Of course, I have a USA bank account and it's Wells Fargo Bank, North America, with my routing number, my account number, and everything perfect. With this account, I can submit it to anybody that want to make payment to me, whether from a freelancing website or from some other sort of website that allows third-party payments. And I'm going to receive the money into my Geekpay account right now, and I'm going to transfer the money to my local bank account easily. I don't need to travel to the United States to get an American account, or to the UK to get, or Euro to get a account. I can use Geekpay. Geekpay will act as an intermediary for me to give me their platform, which I will use and get my money easily. So right now I'm having $96 in my account. All this video here today is just for you to see how to transfer money from the foreign currency which you might have earned from somewhere, from your freelancing or whatever platform that pays you the money, to your local bank account. I'm going to get that this money, the value of this money at the current rate to our local bank account right now. So before then, let me navigate some other areas of Geekpay in the dashboard. Let me see. Okay, let me go. You can see Geekpay also give you the opportunity to have a card which you can fund and use it to make payments on platforms. You know, in Nigeria right now, we have so many difficulties to make payments with our local cards, with our card, and it is very frustrating, and it is limiting so many opportunities when you want to make payments for some items. But Geekpay also can give you the opportunity to use their card, their virtual card, to make payments. If you have money in your USD balance, you can transfer it, you can fund your card and start that process right now. You can create a new card and start that process and fund your card and use the card details to make payment. So let's head down to another place again. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is another place where they say add fund. This is if you want to add funds to let me see the rates. Let me say I have $96. Let me see the $1 converted amount in US dollar, $96. Okay, I have $96 converted amount, $96. Okay, paying with US dollar. I can fund my wallet as well with this. Okay, that's if I want to fund my wallet. Let me see invoices. These are for people who want to create invoice for some other things, some other business. But our aim in this video right now is to transfer money, our money from our USD dashboard to our local bank account. So let me do my transaction right now. You can see I received this money, this $96.54, September 27, 2023, and let me show you the transaction. It's a payment from a streaming platform. And that's all. I received the payment from a streaming platform, from a digital store. You can see the description of the payment. Fund wallet transfer. It was successful. $98 was sent to me, but I got $96.54, which means $2 might have been taken away from as transaction fee from Geek Pay. That's what I observed. Okay, this is the transaction fee, $1.05. Thank you. Yeah, because I got I withdrew $98, but Geek Pay gave me $96.54, which they have deducted a transaction fee of $1.05 and the conversion rate 1. You can see the transaction reference. You can see everything about the transaction here. Okay. You can see category fund wallet, and Wednesday 27th 2023 I'm making this video. So right now let's head down to transfer the money, the dollar, our $96.54 from our USD balance to our local currency. Just go to send money. That's all. You click on. I've already added my local bank account, which is my local GT bank account. I click on it. I'm gonna put in 96.54. So I'm gonna get recipient get 95,719 naira 41 kobo. They said their own, according to Geegpay rate, $1 is 991 naira. So description optional is optional. I can just put goods. So that's all. And just click on continue. As you can see, send money to me, $96.53. Exchange rate $1 is equals to 991 according to Geek Pay rate. Recipient gets 95,709 naira, which I'm going to get. Okay, their transaction fee is 0.01. Total amount $96.54. This is my name. This is my local bank account. Send receipt optional. Okay, send receipt. Okay, let me put in my email where I will see my receipt. I will receive a receipt. And let me see. I click on send money. My password. I put in my password. I confirm payment. As well. It says you have sent $96.53 US to this social name. The money should arrive within 10 to 60 minutes. I can download my receipt and let me wait for the alert to hit my local bank account, and I'm going to show you.
A few moments later.
Of course, our money have landed in our account. It has dropped in my bank account. You can see right now, this is my bank account. I've gotten the money in my GT bank account, 95,709. You can see the description transferred between customer from Randnest. This tag, you can see it. Gotten the money in my bank account from Geekpay to my local bank account, and you can see right now my USD account wallet is now zero balance. As you can see, the expenses have made $98 income, $96 expenses have been sent out. You can see the recent transaction. You can see $98 which I have formally, and I have withdrew 96.54. Remember, they took $1.05 out. You can see right now I have it's a successful. The transaction was successful, and I can download the receipt and see everything here. You can see everything here, all the transaction, and this is the receipt I downloaded right now. You can see amount paid $96 USD, fee of 0.001. $1 according to Geek Pay rate is 991 naira, and it landed into my local bank account. You can see everything. You can see my alert. So with Geek Pay, you can be able to receive money from your clients abroad, Geekpay offers you the US bank account, which when you sign up, you get that US bank account. You can issue it to your client to pay you, whether it is on digital store, DistroKid, CD Baby, 1RPM, whether you're a musician, you're an artist, or you're a freelancer on Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com, whichever platform you want to use to receive money. Geekpay give you that, take away that stress from you by offering you to use their USD bank account in your name. It's like they are opening a bank account in your name. It's a third-party US bank account, and you receive your money, you transfer it to your local bank account, and you can also use it to fund your card as well if you want to make purchases online or of any item as well. You can use it to fund your virtual card. But I will do, as for me, I will do to my local bank account. I needed the money in my local bank account, which I just did in your presence right now in this video. And if you find any value in this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification. This is more important. Hit the bell notification so that any video I drop, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you want to see how to sign up on Geekpay, this video will help you to sign up on Geekpay by Ernest. Thank you. See you on the next video.